Consider the travel graph shown related to Opie's trip to the shop one day. Now let's have a quick look at it before we answer the questions. This is time equals 0 and distance equals 0. So presumably at this point he's at home. He's then going to walk to the shop, and so he's covering distance from home. Along this section here, he's at the same distance the whole time. So I would say that this is at the shops, and then as he closes the distance to home down here, this last section between here and here is where he is travelling home. So how long did it take him to get to the shops? So we can see that it's here, and so A is 6 minutes. So how long was he at the shops? So part B is how long was he at the shops? Well, this is when he left the shops after 16 minutes. So he was at the shops for 10 minutes. So between 6 minutes and 16 minutes is 10 minutes. How long did it take him to walk back from the shops? So that's his return journey. So he left the shops here, he arrived home here, and so that was 4 minutes. At what speed in meters per minute did he walk on his way to the shops and on his return journey? So, on his way to the shops, that is this section. Now we can use the speed, distance, time triangle. Distance is speed times time. We're trying to find speed, so we do distance divided by time. So on his way to the shop, the speed is equal to the distance, which we can see is 240 meters, divided by the time taken, which is 6 minutes. And so he walked at 40 meters per minute. 240 divided by 6 is 40. Now on the way home, we'll do the same sort of thing, but we're looking at this section of the journey. That was 4 minutes, but it's the same distance, 240 meters. So that's going to be 240 divided by 4, which is 60 meters per minute.